In previous modules, we've seen that the exchange rate at any moment in time depends on expected exchange rate and interest rates. We've examined what determines the interest rate in an economy. I'm going to show you that expectations and long-run performance of the economy are closely connected with each other. So the questions that we're going to be addressing are: how are expectations about the future formed? We're going to see how expectations change in response to new pieces of information becoming available. Also, we want to know what factors drive our expectations about the future exchange rates, and how is the exchange rate determined in the long run, and how does it interact with our expectations.